guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lachelle Trends, and I first want to start off by saying thank you for 7,000 subscribers. I should have said thank you in my last video, however it slipped my mind. I'm sorry. So yeah, thank you so much for 7,000 subscribers. So yeah, you guys, in today's video I am coming to you with a hair review on this hair you see me wearing right here. This hair was sent to me from Dyhair777. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, y'all, so again, this unit was sent to me from Dyhair777, and when they sent over their hair, it came in this package right here. Very cute packaging, by the way. So opening up the package, we first have the hair care card that it came with, as well as the hair. So opening up that package, here we have their unit. This is their 20-inch Brazilian body wave unit, and it is a 13x4 frontal. So I did bleach the knots and pluck the frontal prior to the video. So this is what we're looking like. And then here is what the inside is looking like. And then we do have a comb on either side, a comb in the middle, as well as a comb at the bottom. And then it also comes with adjustable straps. So yeah, you guys, this is the unit. The ends are a little fluffy, but we'll see how that works out once we put the wig on. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. So I'm starting off by adding powder to the hairline. You guys can use your lace tint, whatever it is that you like to use, but I will be using my powder. So now I will be using my Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray to hold the wig down. I'm going to spray all along the hairline and then blow dry it down. So now I will be taking that same powder that I used in the beginning, and I'm going to reapply that all along my hairline, you guys. This just gives it the perfect melt. This step is optional, but yeah, I'm adding it along my hairline, and then I'm going to reapply the Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray. And again, you guys, this just makes the hairline melt so perfectly. going to begin styling this unit, I'm going for a side part look, and I'm going to take my hot comb just to flatten out the parts some more. Taking the free spray just to lay down these flyaway hairs by the part, and then I'm going to hot comb it just to lay them down, and you guys can use a wax stick or whatever it is that you like to lay your hairs down. Now for the hair, you guys, I'll be wand curling my hair, so I'm going to use this wand curl that I got from TJ Maxx. It doesn't have a name on it or whatever, but yeah, that's what I'll be using to curl my hair today. Taking some oil sheen and I'm just spraying that in my hand, and then I'm going to rub it all throughout the hair to separate these curls. For the baby hairs, y'all, I'm just using some mousse. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. And sis, yes, I did create some more baby hairs off camera. Sis, my forehead would not let me be great, and it was just not cute to me to just have this swoop right here. So real quick, I just created some more baby hairs. So yeah, you guys, this is what we're looking like, and let me go ahead and turn around so you guys can see the back. Okay, you guys, so that was the back. And getting into the details of this unit, again, this hair was sent to me from Dyhair777, and they sent over their 180% density body wave wig. This is a 13x4 wig, and it is 20 inches as well. On the website, it asks for a cap size. I'm not sure of what cap size I received because they didn't ask me, but I want to say I received the largest cap size because this unit did fit fairly big on my head. But I mean, that's a plus for me because you guys know I have a big head. So ultimately, this unit fit perfectly on my head, and it's not too tight, and it's big head friendly. As well, in the beginning, I did say something about the ends of the hair. The hair kind of looked like it was co-washed, and I didn't co-wash it. It's just, that's how it looked when I received it. However, the ends are perfect, you guys. Once you put some heat on it, the ends curled really nicely and they were tamed or whatever. They're not frizzy and I didn't have to trim them, so that is a plus. I will say overall this is a fluffy unit. It's not like real silky hair or whatever, so you do need to add some oil sheen and some spray to like tame it because it is fluffy. But with that being said, you guys, this is the softest hair I have ever received. Like, y'all, this hair is so soft. Like, it's really nice. You can run your fingers straight through it. I didn't receive any shedding with this hair. So yeah, you guys, this is some really pretty hair. And as well, I think the hairline melted really nicely. As you guys see, I did add some powder to the part and powder to the hairline. So yeah, you guys, overall I really like this hair. I will have it linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.